इकोनॉमी में 12 क्वेश्चंस थे और यूपीएससी की ऑफिशियल की रिलीज होने के बाद एक चीज बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गई। स्टैंडर्ड इकोनॉमी टेक्स्ट बुक्स ने शायद 4 क्वेश्चंस कवर किए होंगे, बाकी 8 M1 एक्सचेंज, RWA टोकनाइजेशन, सस्टेनेबिलिटी बॉन्ड, CBDC लायबिलिटी स्ट्रक्चर, ये किसी भी स्टैंडर्ड बुक में नहीं है। ये सब सिर्फ एक जगह मिलते हैं, डेली फाइनेंशियल न्यूज। यूपीएससी ने ऑफिशियली कंफर्म कर दिया, इकोनॉमी इज नो लॉन्गर अ स्टैटिक सब्जेक्ट। Today I am breaking down the pattern revealing economy questions from UPSC Prelims 2026 with officially confirmed answers and the precise preparation implication each one carries. Let us begin. Hi, I am Rahul Tajnekar, your own UPSC mentor and coach, director of Rahul Sir's IAS Academy Nagpur and author of the book Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, an ultimate guide to score 160 plus marks in GS Paper 4. I have appeared for the UPSC interview 3 times and over 14 years I have guided hundreds of aspirants through this journey. Into the economy section. Question 87. Dropshipping model. On screen now. Comment below. What did you mark? Official answer A. Dropshipping model. The description: seller controls pricing, holds no inventory, transfers orders to a third-party supplier who ships directly to the customer is the textbook definition of dropshipping. This distinguishes it from the affiliate revenue model where the seller earns commissions by promoting someone else's products without controlling pricing, and from the agency revenue model where the seller acts as an agent on behalf of a principal. Relatively straightforward for anyone tracking e-commerce developments in India. Question 88. Financial Inclusion Index. 3 sub-indices. On screen now. Comment below. Official answer C. Access, usage and quality. The RBI's Financial Inclusion Index was introduced in 2021. It measures financial inclusion across India through 3 sub-indices. Access, which measures availability of financial services, usage, which measures actual utilization, and quality, which covers financial literacy and consumer protection depth. Options A and B contained plausible sounding combinations: credit access, insurance depth, pension coverage, banking access. But these are not the 3 formally designated sub-indices of the RBI's FI index. This required specific knowledge of the RBI framework, not general financial inclusion concepts. Question 90. UPI versus digital rupee. Which statement is not correct? On screen now. Comment below, what did you mark? Official answer D. Option D stated in both UPI and digital rupee, liability lies with the users and their respective banks. This is the not correct statement because the liability structure of digital rupee differs from UPI. UPI moves money between commercial bank accounts and liability sits with the commercial banks involved. Digital rupee, the central bank digital currency, is issued directly by the Reserve Bank of India. When digital rupee transactions occur, settlement happens at the central bank level. The liability structure is therefore fundamentally different. It is not a bank-to-bank liability. ये distinction note करो. For 2027, CBDC concepts, their operational mechanism, and how they differ from existing payment systems are testable at this level of precision. Question 91. Real-world assets tokenization. On screen now, comment below. Official answer A. All 3 statements correct. RWA tokenization converts ownership rights of real-world assets, real estate, bonds, commodities, private equity, into digital tokens on a blockchain. This enables fractional ownership, programmable transfer, and continuous market access. All 3 statements, the definition of tokenization, the 24/7 access benefit, and the access to high growth investment opportunities, were officially confirmed correct. This was a 2025-26 FinTech current affairs topic. India's financial regulators have been exploring RWA tokenization frameworks. Aspirants who tracked these developments answered confidently. Question 92. Bond that finances environmental and social projects. On screen now. Comment below. What did you mark? Official answer C. Sustainability bond. The question specified a bond whose proceeds finance a combination of both environmental and social projects. The distinction matters precisely. A green bond finances only environmental projects. A social bond finances only social projects. A sustainability bond finances a combination of both. Aspirants who marked green bond because environmental was mentioned missed the word combination. UPSC's officially confirmed answer, C, tells you that sustainable finance vocabulary will be tested at this level of precision going forward. SEBI has adopted this framework in India. It is current affairs and static knowledge combined. Question 93. M1 exchange and MSME financing. On screen now. Comment below. Official answer, B, statement 2 only. M1 Exchange is India's trade receivables discounting system, a marketplace where MSMEs can discount their outstanding invoices and bills of exchange to access immediate working capital. Statement 1 said M1 Exchange provides collateral-based loans. This is wrong. M1 Exchange is not a lending platform. It facilitates invoice discounting, not loan disbursement. Statement 3 said M1 Exchange functions as a credit rating agency. Also wrong. It is a discounting marketplace, not a rating agency. Only statement 2, facilitating discounting of invoices and bills of exchange, is correct. Officially confirmed. M1 Exchange is not in any standard economy textbook. It appeared in financial use coverage of MSME financing solutions. This is precisely the kind of current affairs that directly tests preparedness, not peripheral knowledge. Question 94. Crowding out effect. On screen now, comment below. Official answer, B. When the government borrows heavily from financial markets, it increases the demand for loanable funds. This drives up interest rates. Higher interest rates make borrowing more expensive for the private sector. Private investment falls. The government has effectively crowded out private investment, hence the crowding out effect. Option A described the crowding in effect, the opposite scenario. This was one of the few straightforward conceptual economy questions in the paper. A standard textbook concept tested cleanly. Question 95. Rare earth elements and critical minerals. On screen now, comment below. Official answer, A. Statements 1 and 3 only. Statement 2 claimed China has the highest share in RWA mining, followed by India. The first part, China dominant, is correct. But India is not second. Australia, the United States and Myanmar are among the significant producers ahead of India in global RWA mining rankings. Statement 4 said rare earth elements are a set of 13 metallic elements. Wrong. RWAs are 17 elements, the 15 lanthanides plus scandium and yttrium. Two separate traps. India's actual position in global RWA production and the precise number of RWA elements. Statement 3. The National Critical Mineral Mission launched by India in 2025 officially confirmed correct. Question 96. Aviation insurance. On screen now. Comment below. Official answer, C. Both statements 1 and 2 correct. Statement 1. Aviation hull insurance covers the physical aircraft including body, engine and onboard equipment. Correct. Standard definition. Statement 2. Under the Montreal Convention of 1999, airlines bear strict liability for passenger death without requiring the family to prove fault. Correct. India is a signatory. The convention established this no-fault compensation framework for international aviation. Both statements were officially confirmed. This required knowledge of both insurance terminology and international aviation law frameworks. Question 97. Crowdfunding. On screen now, comment below. Official answer, C. Both statements 1 and 2 correct. UPSC officially confirmed that statement 2, SMEs can raise funds at lower cost through crowdfunding without undergoing rigorous procedures, is correct. This reflects UPSC's understanding of crowdfunding as an alternative financing mechanism that reduces transaction costs and procedural barriers for smaller enterprises compared to traditional banking channels. Question 98. Banking committees. Match list. On screen now, comment below. Official answer, D. This required precise matching of committee names, their objectives, and the organizations under which they were formed. The key learning: banking and financial sector committees must be studied with specific mandate organization mapping. Broad familiarity is not enough. Question 99. NBFCs, regulatory features. On screen now, comment below. Official answer, A. Statements 1 and 4. Statement 1. NBFCs cannot accept demand deposits. Correct. This is the fundamental regulatory distinction between banks and NBFCs. Statement 4. DICGC deposit insurance is not available to NBFC depositors. Correct. The Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation covers bank deposits, not NBFC deposits. Statement 2. All NBFCs must be registered with the RBI. Not entirely correct. Certain categories have exemptions or are regulated by other bodies. Statement 3. NBFCs are part of the payment and settlement system and can issue checks. Wrong. That is a banking function. Question 100. Multidimensional Poverty Index. On screen now, comment below. Official answer A. Statements 1 and 2 only. Statement 1. Alkire-Foster methodology. Correct. Statement 2. Niti Aayog's MPI uses 12 indicators. Correct. Statement 3. About common indicators between Niti Aayog and UNDP versions, not confirmed as correct. Now the complete economy analysis. 12 questions. UPSC's official key delivers one unambiguous conclusion. Economy preparation for UPSC cannot be built on textbooks alone. The static conceptual foundation, crowding out effect, NBFC distinctions, bond definitions, fiscal deficit formulas, that is necessary. But it gets you approximately 4 or 5 questions. The remaining 7 or 8 questions, M1 exchange, RWA tokenization, sustainability bonds, CBDC liability, National Critical Mineral Mission, AI Impact Summit economy implications, banking committee specifics, these require daily tracking of RBI policy announcements and their implications. SEBI regulatory developments, new financial instruments and platforms being introduced in Indian markets, India's position in global frameworks, critical minerals, green finance, digital currency, government scheme launches and their economic rationale. ये सब daily track करना पड़ेगा. Not once a month, not from a year-end compilation. Daily. The aspirant who reads the Hindu or Business Standards economy section daily and understands what they read will score 9 to 10 out of 12 in this section. The aspirant who relies only on static preparation will score 4 or 5. That gap of 5 marks in a section worth 12 marks in an exam where 2 marks separate ranks is decisive. 3 things before you move on. Tell me in the comments which economy question was the most surprising for you from the official answer. M1 exchange, sustainability bond, CBDC liability, something else? Write below. And if you want to build a structured economy preparation system for 2027 that integrates static concepts with daily current affairs tracking, book a one-on-one strategy session with me. The link is in the description. Download our free daily current affairs app. Structured, concise, directly UPSC relevant economy coverage every day. Link in the description. Previous video, polity and ethics, including Q53's striking officially confirmed answer. Link right here. Next video, science and technology and international relations, where UPSC officially confirmed that even AI limitations, specifically that LLMs produce biased outputs, are now part of the testable syllabus. That video closes this series with a full pattern summary for 2027 aspirants. I am Rahul Tajnekar. Economy की preparation newspaper से होगी, textbook से नहीं. I will see you in the next one. All the best.